Having a hard time quieting your mind during meditation? Stay tuned and watch this video for my foolproof tips and tricks on how to meditate for beginners. Meditation is to active quieting your mind to connect with your soul for the best self-care tips and tricks for total wellness. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when I post a new video every Sunday. If you're the person that finds your schedule to be too busy to take 15 minutes out of your day just to spend some time with yourself, or if you've tried meditation in the past and you just couldn't stop your mind from thinking, this video is for you. In this video I'll give you some foolproof tips and tricks on meditating and making it a part of your everyday routine. Meditation can calm your mind and help fight anxiety and stress. You may not necessarily have the time to sit down and do a long meditation session as soon as you are stressed, but even a short meditation can help. Learning to do breathing exercises is a good start. Then you can progress to other quick and easy meditation exercises. You can also enjoy progressive muscle relaxation, which differs from meditation, but which can lead to a meditative state of relaxation. Learning to do a quick and easy meditation can help restore calm to your mind and get you back in shape to face the rest of your day. Method 1 of 4. Do deep breathing exercises. 1. Take 5 minutes. You don't need a lot of time to do breathing exercises, although you can do it for as long as you want. What is important is to take the time to breathe calmly and relaxed as soon as you notice that you are feeling anxious or tense. It won't take long for you to start feeling the effects of deep breathing exercises, but you can continue to breathe deeply for as long as you want. Try to find a place where you will not be disturbed. If you don't have a quiet place indoors, try sitting outside. 2. Get into position. When you are ready to begin, get into a comfortable position. You can sit on a chair or directly on the floor. The important thing is to have an upright posture. Sit with your back straight and with your spine and neck aligned. Close your eyes. This can help ward off distractions and make it easier to enter a relaxed state. If you want, you can put a hand on your stomach. This can help you feel your breath, so you can see better whether you are breathing deeply or not. 3. Take deep breaths into your abdomen. Breathing deeply is simply taking deep, slow breaths and exhaling slowly and gently. You can do this for as long as you want. As soon as your mind turns to a stressful thought, focus on your breathing again. Inhale slowly through your nose. Feel your breath travel through your abdomen to your diaphragm, just below the ribs. Concentrate on the feeling of inhaling and exhaling deeply. With your hand, you should be able to feel your belly expand and empty with each breath. If you cannot feel your breath, you may need to take slower, deeper breaths. Method 2 of 4. Do a sitting meditation. 1. Find a quiet place. You can meditate anywhere, but the ideal is to find a place that is calm and free from distractions. If you are at work and have a personal office, close the door. If you don't have personal space, you can go for a lunch break and find a quiet place away from the office. If possible, reduce the risk of distraction by putting your cell phone on silent or turning off your computer. Try to find a place where you can be alone for 5 to 10 minutes. If you can't find a quiet space indoors, you can try sitting outside if the weather is nice. 2. Put you at ease. It is very important to be in a comfortable position when you meditate. There is no imposed position. You just need to get into a position that helps you relax. When some think of sitting meditation, they visualize a master yogi sitting perfectly in the lotus position, with his legs crossed. If it's comfortable for you, then do it. But if it's not, find a position that allows you to be relaxed. You can try sitting cross-legged, sitting on a bench or chair, or even lying on the floor. If you don't have a problem closing your eyes, do so. If not, Keep your eyes open and try to focus on a point on the floor directly in front of you. 3. Concentrate on your breathing. For meditation, it is crucial to do deep breathing. Concentrate on the feeling of breathing and try to block out all other thoughts. As soon as you realize that your mind is wandering about other ideas, return your attention to your breathing. Do not take short breaths in your chest. Instead, take deep breaths that descend into your diaphragm, under your ribs. Feel the air pass through your nose and then into your lungs. Notice your belly swelling and deflating with each inhale and exhale cycle. You can set an alarm for 5 to 10 minutes, or you can just breathe until you feel overwhelmed by a feeling of calm. You can take these short meditative breaks whenever and wherever you want, whenever you need to calm your mind. 4. Slowly open your eyes. When the meditation is complete, slowly open your eyes. Do not get up right away. Give your mind and your eyes a moment to adjust to the present environment. Maybe you have things to do, but it's important to let the feeling of calm linger for a few moments. Slowly open your eyes and gradually assimilate your surroundings. Get up slowly. If you have achieved a high level of relaxation during your meditation, getting up too quickly can make you dizzy. Method 3 of 4. Try visualization meditation. 1. Make yourself comfortable and take a deep breath. Try to find yourself a quiet place where you can relax. Do deep breathing exercises, focusing on the feeling of the air passing through your nose and swelling your abdomen. Sit in a quiet place and eliminate as much distraction as possible. Put your cell phone on silent and close the door if possible. Get rid of tight or tight clothing so that you don't feel embarrassed. Close your eyes and focus on your breathing. 2. Choose a relaxed feeling. You can imagine what you want. It could be a place you've been to in real life or a totally imaginary place. Try to include as much sensory detail as possible in order to trick your brain into believing that you are actually there. Start by viewing an image. Choose a very relaxing place. It doesn't matter if you've never been there. Just imagine a place of peace and quiet. Imagine the sounds you would hear there. For example, if your visual image is a deserted beach, you can imagine the sound of waves crashing into the sand. Then imagine the physical sensations you might feel in this place. If you are on a beach, you can imagine the ground warming your skin and the gritty feel of the sand under your feet. If possible, try to include a scent. On the beach, for example, you might smell the salty smell of seawater blown in by the wind, or the smell of sunscreen on your body. 3. Open your eyes and slowly stand up. You can continue doing this visualization exercise for as long as you want. Once you feel ready, just reopen your eyes gently and get ready to stand up. Take it slow, as your body and mind will still be in a relaxed state and it may take some time for them to get used to waking life again. Slowly open your eyes. After closing your eyes and imagining a calm and peaceful place, it can be overwhelming to remember what is really around you. If you get up too quickly, you may feel dizzy. Before getting up, you may need to stretch your muscles to get the blood flowing again. Put on or tighten up any clothes that were bothering you, and you should now be ready to face the rest of your day. Method 4 of 4. Do progressive muscle relaxation. 1. Slow down your breathing rate. Before you start to tighten your muscles, you may need to take some deep breaths to help yourself. Inhale slowly until you fill your abdomen, focusing on the feeling of the air flowing through you. Keep taking deep breaths of air until you feel relaxed and are ready to go. 2. Contract and keep tense your muscles one by one. Go through the list of your muscle groups in a certain order. As you move from one muscle group to another, squeeze each muscle for 5 seconds, then release, and let the muscles relax for about 10 seconds. Start by closing your right fist and contracting your forearm. Raise your right forearm to contract your upper arm, as if you are flexing your muscles. Repeat these steps for your left hand and arm. Contract your forehead, raising your eyebrows as high as possible. Close your eyelids tightly. Open your mouth as wide as possible to activate your facial muscles. Shrug your shoulders towards your ears. Then push them back, trying to get both of your shoulder blades to touch. Contract your abs. Then move on to the muscles in your hips and buttocks and trying to tighten them up. Contract the quadriceps thigh muscle of your right leg and then, gently, stretch your calf by extending your toes downward. Do the same for your left leg and foot. 3. Continue the breaths and open your eyes. Once you are done contracting and relaxing your muscles, take a few moments to continue deep breathing. You can also stretch your muscles to return to normal blood flow. Open your eyelids and regain awareness of your surroundings. Do not get up too quickly or you may feel dizzy or have a cramp. Just sit there for a while. Breathe and stretch. Advice: to improve your concentration, you can either close your eyes or focus on a point between your two eyes, directly in front of you. You can meditate anywhere and anytime. Use these techniques whenever you want throughout the day to release tension and stress. Try to reduce the distractions around you as much as possible. Noise can interrupt the whole process, especially a ringing or vibrating message notification. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Take